Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 9, Air We Breathe. After reading this chapter, you will be able to understand the importance of air, uses of air in our life, characteristics of air, how is air pollution caused, and how we can reduce it. We all know the air we breathe is the most important thing without which we cannot survive. You cannot hold your breath for more than few seconds. Air is not only important for human beings but also for animals and plants. Yes, they also breathe. Human being and animal inhale or take in oxygen and exhale or take out carbon dioxide. The process is called breathing. It is the most important gas for all living things to stay alive. It is present in air. We call it oxygen. It also keeps the air fresh. Air is mixture of many gases like carbon dioxide, nitrogen and oxygen. There are many other gases present in air. The percentage of nitrogen in air is 78%, that of oxygen is 21%, and rest is the other gases. They are present in a certain ratio. The when the ratio changes, it results in एयर पोल्यूशन. जब एयर में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एक्सेस अमाउंट में हो जाता है या ऑक्सीजन का परसेंटेज कम हो जाता है, इट रिजल्ट्स इन एयर पोल्यूशन, जिसकी वजह से इट results in various diseases like asthma, bronchitis, etc. Just like human beings, plants also need oxygen. We all know during the process of photosynthesis, when plants prepare their food in the presence of sunlight and air, the carbon dioxide is used by the plant, means they absorb carbon dioxide from the air and oxygen is released. If a plant will not get sufficient amount of carbon dioxide, it will die. This picture shows the process of the process of photosynthesis, in which carbon dioxide is taken by the plant and oxygen is released. So plants produce oxygen while making food, which is essential for all living things. Did you know that Earth is the only planet in our solar system that has oxygen on it, जिसकी वजह से या it is one of the reason कि अर्थ पे लाइफ एग्जिस्ट करती है. Air is present everywhere around us. It is all around us. Even in the room where you are sitting and studying. It cannot be seen, touched, but it can be felt when air moves. This moving air is called wind. We can also hear the sound of the moving air when it blows very fast. Air has no shape of its own. It can take shape of things as it occupies space. जब भी हम एक balloon, you can do this activity at home also. Take a balloon. blow air in it. आप देखेंगे बलून फूल जाता है, एक्सपैंड करता है, और जैसे ही आप उसको छोड़ते हैं तो बलून से एयर बाहर आती है. यू कैन ऑल्सो फील द प्रेशर. आप बलून के आगे अपने पाम को रखिए, आपको फील होगा certain kind of pressure on your palm. This means air exerts pressure also, and it also occupies some space. I hope the introduction is clear to you all. In our next class, we will discuss some more characteristic of air and the uses of air in our life. Till then, take care. Bye bye.